This is POCO X7 and today I'll show how you can boot into a recovery mode on this device. So in the beginning you will need to launch the power off menu by simultaneously, or should I rather say by either simultaneously pressing volume up and power buttons or pressing and holding the side power key. Now move this toggle to the power off and wait about 10 seconds for the device to properly shut down. Now, simultaneously press and keep holding both volume up and power keys and release your fingers once you'll see the Android logo or the POCO logo on the screen, or both. Here they are. Now you can release both buttons, and here's the main or recovery menu. From here you can reboot back to the system, wipe data or perform a factory reset, or connect with MI Assistant for, well, any further actions. Now if you would simply like to exit the recovery menu, select reboot, press power button to confirm. And here, make sure to select the reboot to system and also press the power key to confirm. And well, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.